Hey, this is Des here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, August 2nd, 2012. Stocks were down by a huge amount today, bouncing back the last part of the day. We had the Dow down 92 big ones, down 0.71%, the S&P down 0.75%, the Nasdaq down 0.33 or 36%, the Russell's down 0.33%. Banks off by 0.5%, and you have VIX. Now get this, the markets had a bloodbath, but the VIX ends in big time bullish territory by being down 7.33%. We are at 17.57 on the fear indicator. So what does that tell us? There was no fear out there in today's big drop that we had out there in the markets. Gold down 0.65%, silver also down 0.87%, crude oil off by 1.72%. So commodities did get hit. US dollar up just a bit, up 0.17%, but check this out, the trend off by 2.23. Gang, for all you graduates out there, this is a number you should be aware of. All right. Oh, and by the way, if you're not a Grok graduate yet, get off the fence and get yourself mentored. Quit playing out here in the markets and start trading like a professional. Take off that amateur hat. Anyway, a couple things here. Today we had jobless claims come out from last week, and we ticked higher. That was no good. The other thing that was no good was the European Central Bank, or the ECB, came out saying they're going to stay pat at their 0.75% interest rate. And so they did nothing, much like the Fed doing nothing yesterday, to bring stimulus to the market. So that disappointed, and the markets did take a dive due to that. News out. The Knight Capital Group, which we talked about in last night's video, KCG, let's go look at it. KCG off by 60%. I mean, we were just a few days ago over $10. This thing's trading at $2.58 right now on massive volume, because they are taking a $440 million hit and that big gap. And I talk about the gap strategy in the mentorship, and there's a lot of money to be had here. So you just now need to know how to play them. And let's look at Facebook. First time Facebook was below $20. At the end of the day, we pop back up, but we're at $20 right now. This could be an opportunity to be looking for some longs if we find a support level at $20. So let's watch volume to see how volume plays with this big extended down run on Facebook, and there might be an opportunity here. And let's go back to the S&P daily. We had this nice pop, a doji, and then we go into our down leg. The question is, how much of a down leg were we going to get? I said if we could stay above the 61.8, that would be good, but we really need to stay above this major trend line. That would be ideal. So what ended up happening is we broke through all of it, and at the end of the day, buyers started coming back in, rallying higher and higher and higher and higher. We stayed here at the 1358 mark for a long time, but again, at the end of the day, last couple hours, we just plowed higher, almost making a hammer type formation. I do expect to get a gap up tomorrow. And the question is, will we get a nice bullish rally to commence? And tomorrow, 1 hour before the markets open, we have the unemployment rate. And if that disappoints, we're in a lot of trouble. However, if it beats, the market should rally, and rally strong. And if this bearish market is causing you to want to drink Maalox or eat Tums, I would say check out the site teachmetahedge.com. So anyway, you have a mentorship coming up in the next couple weeks. Go to the mentorship page and watch the videos, and also check out the form. put in your information, and we'd love to chat with you more about what that looks like, feels like, smells like. So anyway, hope all's well with you and yours, and I hope the trading is going fantastic, and I hope you are making sure that you're cutting your losers short and letting your winners run.